Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals -16, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 32, and y equals 0.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals -16 to x equals 32, the run is 48. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 0, the rise is -2.
Slope is rise divided by run, -2/48, which simplifies to -1/24. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is -1/24, x1 is -16, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.